Holy crap, it's Paisteboy. Paisteboy! Hey, Paisteboy! Oh, sorry, you're Tasty Boy.
Tasty Boy. Deer bear.
What's that? What's shaking?
Pull in those two sleds like around here somewhere.
Why is that?
Because I want to get pictures before we leave.
Cool. Yeah. See the sled trail on the lawn? Go down, see it there? Go down like that. You want me to go first? Oh. Wipe out! Where am I going now? I think it's... Can I go down in there and go out there, I wonder? She wasn't turning. My backcountry skills are a little rusty.
I think you're in there pretty deep.
I think I gotta go through there. I think I gotta go through there. Through those trees and out there.
How are you gonna get there, Gary?
There's not really any other way.
So we pull it out.
You can't reverse it?
You try and put it in reverse, it's just gonna dig in.
Yeah, it is.
Go straight down.
If you pull, will I reverse? Pictures, you and your pictures. I was safely parked on the road. I say go down there. Spin it around this way.
And move it over a bit.
Here, hold on. I couldn't turn.
So why'd you go up on the yard?
Well, I couldn't. You'll watch the video. I couldn't stop.
Okay, let's go.
I'm going down there. You gotta get the handlebar past there. You gotta help me lift it past the handlebar. Go, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Go straight through there.
Right there.
Those branches are pretty thick, buddy.
Yeah, you want to go to those ones?
I wanna go through these. Yep.
You got that camera going?
Yep.
That's what you should be putting on that camera.
Hey, I'm gonna need to be pulled out.
Yeah, I know.
do it, pull it.
We need someone to pull it.
You can get that by driving.
I don't think so. Yeah, I think so. If you guys pull on the skis, just to get me going. Hey, Dino, Joe would be proud of me, right?
Hey,
Joe would be proud.
that was a Joe moment.
Did you see that?
That was definitely a Joe moment. I don't know if we would have got a short track out of there.
Oh no.
Oh, why'd you think you had to go up on the
Oh, I was backcountry and it didn't work. Oh, if that's the worst thing that happens today, I'll take it.
Yes.
Don't stand on like the fucking snowboard.
I didn't get in the picture.
Yeah, you did.
I know. Oh my God, that was awesome.
What do you see? Get that out of there.
Just did my backcountry riding tips for the day. Dave Norona would be proud of me. Hashtag Dave Norona taught me everything I know about riding.